stop, okay? As like last race, you know how we started, right? So we should not do the same thing. We should always be ready for the start. Yeah. We'll see when we go straight, okay? Yashi, don't pull too far back. Exit mid-side. Reach. Side crunch. Side feedback. Okay. Okay, where should I park? Maybe the tree? Seriously, the tree. No, don't paddle. Yeah, do that. Wow, the timing is awful. The five, okay, that's fine. They might have to, no. It's okay. Dig deep. Side crunch, dig deep. Woo! Ah! You get wet all the way up here. Look at the camera, guys. Don't look that way, you guys. If you're on the Isabel, look up. Sylvia, look up. No chin down, okay? Billy, you're in the engine room. You should be like, reaching forward, reaching to where Nathan's seat is. Yeah, pull. Increase the intensity, okay, with the power.